How to be a positive parent? Being a positive parent requires a lot of hard work and discipline on your part, but the outcome is worth it. Positive parenting focuses on building your child's self esteem, character, and independence so they have the skills to succeed at school and in the world. Here are three simple ways. Number one, building a positive character. If you are a good role model for your children, they are more likely to pick up good habits from you. Behave the way you like your children to behave and show them the qualities you want them to have. This modeling behavior gives your children an example of the right ways to act. Find time throughout the day to spend quality time with your children. Quality time is an important part of positive parenting, and children act out if they feel neglected. This does not have to be a lot of time, an extra few minutes each day could make the difference between satisfaction and dissatisfaction. Number two is encouraging your child's independence. If your child has a good sense of self-esteem, they will be more comfortable branching out and taking on more responsibilities. Always let them know that you have cheering for them. Praise them for their efforts and accomplishment to boost their self-respect and confidence. Let your child choose an activity to make them feel more independent. This makes them feel like they have in control while teaching them more independence. Number 3. Disciplining your child fairly. Positive parenting does not mean you will have discipline your child. It means that discipline is fair and consistent. Start by outlining a clear set of rules so your child know what allowed and what is not. Then outline what the consequences are if your child breaks the rule. If you react and start yelling every time your child does not something just to get attention, you are reinforcing that behavior. Instead of reacting, ignore the bad behavior and gradually discourage it. This maintains a peaceful atmosphere and also discourages the behavior in the long run.